Hello, my dear friend. Every time I share this problem with my students, I get at least 3 different answers. If Emily runs around the track twice and Michael runs around the track 4 times more than Emily, how many times does Michael run around the track? I will share with you 3 different ways in which my students interpret this problem. But before doing so, you have 30 seconds to write your answer in the comments below. This problem has a phrase that confuses most students. 4 times more than. Usually, this expression is understood as a multiplication. In our case, times more means that Michael runs 4 times more than Emily runs. So, 4 times 2 equals 8. And this is the first answer. Other students look at this problem from different perspective. They understand this part of the phrase Michael runs around the track 4 times more as an addition. So Emily runs around the track 2 times, and Michael runs 4 more laps than Emily. This means that Michael would run 4 plus 2, which equals 6 laps. Unfortunately, this interpretation is incorrect. We usually write more times when it's about addition. However, if you see times more, it definitely means a multiplication. Finally, the last interpretation from my students. This problem is usually stated using percentages. The phrase times more than would mean you should add that number of times to the base. Try to consider this with a focus on percentages. 100% more than 2 is a total of 4. 200% more than 2 is a total of 6. 300% more than 2 is a total of 8. And 400% more than 2 is a total of 10. So 400% is the same thing as 4 times. In our case, 4 times 2 plus 2 would be equal to 10 times. Of course, this interpretation is literally correct according to the way the sentence is written. However, again, 4 times more is the phrase that is commonly used in multiplication, and it has nothing in common with percentages. So, the correct answer to this problem is 8 times. The phrase times more is always about the multiplication. Please remember this. Thank you and see you in the next episode.